start already. Page 41 of the textbook. I'm going to say the points again on the board. Will that be okay? Yes or no? Okay, I'm going to say it again. Now, everybody look at the board. If I say I want to solve this quadratic inequality, if I still hear noise, sorry, I'm going to walk out. Fair, huh? Oh, fair is it? Fair? No fair? Is it fair? Now, when I have this, what I need to do is that I need to factorize this. Then I will have a x minus 4, x minus 1 less than 0. Am I right? Alright. Now, I told you all yesterday, I only want minimum curve. Then you don't go and stress yourself whether it's maximum or minimum curve. And for it to qualify as a minimum curve, the coefficient of x squared must be what? Positive. Very good. Now, when I sketch this graph, you must sketch the graph. Don't say I can see with my mind. You cannot see one. Do you agree that the solution is 1 and 4? It is 0, right? Now, this is less than. Less than means it's below. Agree? So, it's this part, right? Right. So, if this part means from 1 to what? 4. So, x will be from 1 to 4. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Now, what if they have like that? Then, just mean that it is like that. That's all. Everybody okay? Everybody okay? Now, let me just show you the same question. But it is bigger than 0. I will still have this, right? X minus 4, x minus 1 bigger than 0. Now, you must show this step. Go straight away, give me the answer. Understand? And you must draw the curve. Ready? Now I want bigger than 0. So where? Above, right? So it will be this one and this one. For it to, can you see this one will extend, this one will extend all the way, right? Okay, so x will be less than 1 or what? X will be what? More than 4. Okay? Likewise, if there is an equal sign, this is going to be 0. Everybody clear with what I'm saying? Yes or no? Yes, huh? Okay. Then I'm going on to one more question that actually I've already done it that day. Okay, but I want to reiterate this point. Alright. What if I have this? Look at the coefficient of x squared. What is it? It's a negative. I don't want a negative because negative will give me an n-shaped curve. I don't want you to run into trouble of reading wrongly again. So I will multiply throughout by negative 1. Correct? If I multiply by a negative number, what will happen? The sign will what? Flip. Okay, so 2x squared minus 7x minus 3. This one become what? Bigger than 0. What happens to students is after they multiply by negative 1, they forget to flip the sign. You understand what I'm talking about? Okay, then I'm going to factorize this. 2xx, then 3, 1, right? It's a negative 7. Did I make a mistake? Oh, wait. I wrote a special on this. It's not a plus 3, it's a minus 3. This is a minus 3, so this one will not plus. Alright? Everybody okay? Alright, so I will get a negative here, right? Okay. So this is a 2x minus 1, x minus 3 bigger than 0. Okay? Now if I solve this answer will be a half, right? What about this? 3. So I will get like this. This is a half, this is a 3, right? Correct. All my curves are minimum curves because I make it that way. You understand? Oh. Now, bigger, so where? On top. Here and here, right? So what's my answer? X I want all answers to be written properly. Everybody okay with what I'm talking about? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, there we go. That means page 39, 40 and 41 is all done already. The more the story is, I want all curves to be minimum curve. Is that clear? That means the coefficient of x squared must be what? Positive. That will cut down your error. Everybody okay? Okay, now, next. I'm going on to example 8. Can all of you turn to example 8? Okay? All of you turn to example 8. Alright? Page 42. Okay? I'm going to go through all this. But there are some that are more difficult, so I want you to pay attention. Is that clear? Let's look at example 8. Solve this. And represent the solution set on another line. Okay, they want the solution set on another line. Okay, now, oh, look up. This is what? 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 less than 0, right? Check. Is the coefficient of x squared positive? Yes. So let's factorize this. 2x, I will have a 3 once with a negative 3x. Negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5, correct? So I will have this 2x plus 1, x minus 3 less than 0. What's the solution here? Negative 1, half. Correct? The solution here is negative half. What's here? 3. Alright? So I will have a curve like that. Negative half and 3. Now is it bigger or smaller? The question says what? Smaller. So is this part here, right? Okay. So x will be between negative half and 3. Alright. That will be my solution. Everybody clear? But I have not finished the question yet. There's one last part. What did they say? Represent what? The solution set on the number line. The solution set means this one, not this one. This one is the working. Understand? Solution set is this. So I must have negative half to 3, right? Correct. Exclude. Then like that, right? This will be the solution set. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Now, I don't like the textbook. There shouldn't be 2 arrowheads. If you want arrowhead, there's only one. This side. There are no 2 arrowheads. Do you understand? Okay, arrowheads, this one is increasing. You cannot be increasing the arrowhead, it's decreasing. Everybody clear? Everybody okay? Alright, so I repeat, this is a solution set. Likewise, I'm saying this because in your Emacs, next Tuesday is your Emacs WA1, solution set also means this one. Understand? Not the working where you shake now. Understand? Okay? Alright, next, we move on to example 9. Okay, I'm going to go through example 9 now. Are we okay so far? Clear? Clear? Okay, example 9 now. Okay, let's look at example 9. Now, I'm going to teach you this one because this is very important. Chapter 1 and chapter 2 are tied in together. Understand? That's why we are teaching it like that. I know 2.3 is not in the WA1. But let me tell you something. It is in the O level. You understand? Don't just concentrate on WA1. It's very short-sighted. Do you understand? Okay, first thing. The equation of a curve is y equals to 2x squared minus mx plus 2. So this is the equation of a curve. Okay? Find the values or range of values of m for which the equation, part 1, y equals to 0 has real roots. Okay, I want everybody to look at the question now. Must look carefully, you must understand the question before you don't know how to do. Okay? Now, all of you look. Don't look at the textbook, look at the textbook for what? Look at it. Y equals to 0 has real roots. That means 2x squared minus mx plus 2 equals to 0 has real roots. Did they say 1 or 2 real roots? No, that means discriminant is what? More than or equals to 0. So, discriminant is more than or equals to 0, right? What is my b squared minus 4 is must bigger equal to 0. What's my b squared? Minus n squared, right? Minus 4, 2, right? Must be bigger than 0. Sorry, bigger equal to 0, right? Okay, so this is the n squared minus what? 16, bigger equal to 0. Now, this is a very common mistake. I'm going to tell you now. This is not an equation. You don't go and say n squared bigger equals to 16, n bigger equal to plus minus 4. This is absolute rubbish, you know. You understand what I'm talking about? This is absolute rubbish. Do you understand what I'm talking about? You cannot do it this way. You cannot take a function. Understand? You cannot do a function to both sides, like you square it or whatever. You can only add or subtract, divide or times, that's all. Okay? Now, I tell you why. All of you got your calculator, right? Take out a calculator. Zero degrees is less than 90 degrees, correct? Okay? Is cosine 0 degrees less than cosine 90 degrees? All of you press cosine 0 is what? What's cosine 90? What's cosine 90? 0. Is it like that? No, it's the other way around. That means you cannot take a function of an inequality. Understand? You cannot take a function of an inequality. Do you understand? You don't take square root or whatsoever. Understand? You only add, subtract, times, or right. Everybody clear? Okay? Now, so how are we going to present this? Oh, you look here. This one is n plus 4. You must factorize, right? n plus 4, n minus 4, right? Correct now? Okay? Now, can you see that this is positive n squared? So, when I solve, it will be a negative 4 and 4, right? Correct? Now it's in terms of n. Okay? Now, bigger this one on top, right? So, it must be this one and this one, right? Alright? So, what's my answer? n less than equals to negative 4 or what? N bigger equals to 4. Everybody clear about the first part? Yes or no? What is another common mistake? This is in terms of n, but a lot of people will go and put x. They are very used to x. Look at the question carefully. Are we clear? Yes or no? Okay, so that is your part 1. Next, let's move on to part 2. Okay, let's move on to part 2. So guys, now, about one of you already clear already? Okay now, so you must analyze the question. Don't just jump into discriminant. Okay. Okay, now let's take a look at the second part. Let's just look at the second part now. Find the value or range of values of n for which, number 2, the line y equals to 2 minus x and the curve intersect at 2 distinct points. Now, intersect at 2 distinct points means discriminant bigger than 0. But I must sub this into this first, right? Agree? This is a curve, this is a line. Am I right? So, let's call this equation 1, this equation 2. I sub what into what? 2 into, always sub the linear into the non-linear. Understand? So, I substitute 2 into 1. So, I will have 2 minus x equals to 2x squared minus mx plus 2, right? Can you tell me what should I do next? Group all of them together, right? And make one side what? 0, very good. So, I will have 2x squared minus mx plus 2 plus x minus 2 equals to 0, correct? Yes or no? I move everything to one side. Yeah? Okay, now then I will have 2x squared minus mx equals to 0, because this one becomes 0, plus 2 minus 2 becomes 0. Am I right to say that? Okay, I'm going to say something here. All of you look up. This one means 2x squared plus x minus mx equals to 0 also can, right? I'm going to read a bit. Can you see? Okay. So this is actually 2x squared plus 1 minus mx equals to 0, right? Can you see? The question is what? It will intersect at how many points? 2 distinct points, right? That means discriminant is what? Bigger than 0. I want to ask. This is my A, right? This is my B, right? What is my C? 0. Do you understand here? Understand? Oh? So, B squared minus 4AC must be bigger than 0. Negative, this one. Minus 4, 2, 0 must be bigger than 0. Okay? Yes or no? Yes, huh? So, I will have 1 minus m squared bigger than 0. Am I right? Yes or no? Now, this one, you say, sure, die already, cannot solve. Cannot solve. Okay, actually, you look up. This one means 1 minus m, 1 minus m bigger than 0, right? Correct? Yes or no? That means, what's the solution here? 1. There's only 1 point. Okay? I'm teaching you here. Are you clear? There's only 1 point. Correct now? Okay. Okay? How come I know it's a minimum term? Because negative m and negative m give you what? Positive m squared. You understand what I'm talking about here? Yes or no, guys? Okay. Must be bigger than 0. It cannot be equal to 0. Can you see bigger than 0 is all these except this one? It cannot be 1. Because when it is 1, what will happen? It becomes what? 0. This is bigger than 0. Am I right to say that? Yes or no? So, how do we conclude? N is any real values except what? Except 1. Correct? Yes or no? 2 distinct points, yes. I'm talking about n. I'm not talking about x. X got 2, but n is the value of n. You understand what I'm talking about? Now, some people are confused. Let me explain again. All of you listen. When I say don't talk, please. When I say this and this intersect at 2 points, that means this is my value of x, not n. N is another thing, You understand what I'm talking about? Yes or no? For n to be any real numbers except 1, then I will have 2x. Do you get what I'm saying? Okay. So this is the thing that students always get confused. They don't know whether it's x or n, they don't know. Understand? I'm talking to you now. Another way to look at this, if you don't want to draw the curve, can you look at this one again? Do you agree that it will always be bigger than 0? Because this is a square. Correct? So, any value also can, right? Any value I plug in also can be bigger than 0, right? Except what? 1. When this is 1, it becomes 0, so that one is excluded. Can you see? That's another way to look at it. Everybody clear? Okay, let me give you another example. How to solve? N can be anything, right? It will also be bigger than 0, right? Except what? Except n what? Negative 2. N cannot be negative 2 because it will be 0. Do you understand? Then I ask you, if it's like that, the n can be anything. Can you see? M can be anything. Do you understand? You cannot say n can be anything. This is not right. N can be what? Can be any real values. That's all. Also, don't say n can be anything. Then monster also can, monkey also can. That kind of things. I'm talking about part 3 now. The line y equals to 2 minus x and the curve do not intersect. Now actually this is a very funny question. Can you see that part 2 is the same line? You already show that n can intersect with all values except negative 1, right? Except 1, sorry. Correct? Okay. We show that this line do not intersect. Okay, never mind. We start in again. All of you now. If I sum it again, I will get this again, right? I will do. I will get 2x squared plus 1 minus mx equals to 0, right? I will get d1 less than 0, right? Because it will not intersect. Okay, now, class, I asked you one question, because there are some students in this class who behave exactly like I said once. When I put dot, what does it mean? You must show me your working right. Are you listening to me, Jay? Do you also go and put dot? Sorry. If you put dot, I'm going to circle it, that's all. And next time I will buy a permanent marker and dot this, that's all. Okay, I'll put 3 dots here, dot. Okay. It means you must show your working, come on. Alright? Okay. Now, so I'm going to do this. B squared minus 4ac less than 0. 1 minus m squared less than 0. Now, I want to ask you this question. Is it possible for 1 minus m squared to be less than 0? Is it possible? No. No. So this one has got no what? What's this? No solution. Alright. No solution means what? There will not be any n whereby it does not cut. That means it will always cut. You don't understand what I'm talking about? Yes or no? Okay, now look at the answer in the textbook. Part 3. Okay. There are no values of m for which the line and the curve do not intersect. They will always intersect. Understand? That's why I find that part 2 and part 3 actually there's a contradiction. I don't know how they invented the textbook, but doesn't matter. Just learn for it. Are we okay so far? Yes. Alright, now next, example 10. Look at example 10 now. Let's look at example 10 now. Okay, I'm going to do this slowly now. Okay, look at the question. Find the range of values of k for which fx equals to 2x plus 2k plus 5k plus 2 is bigger than 0 for all values of x. Find the range of values of what? Of k. Now we must understand the question. All of you look at the box. Don't rush into it. Because when everybody sees this right, straight away the conclusion is what? Discriminant bigger than 0 is wrong. Okay, what did the question say? This function is bigger than 0, right? Correct? I'm talking to you. This function is bigger than 0. What does it mean when I say this function is bigger than 0? It lies above your x-axis, right? Correct? So, what is the discriminant? Less than 0. So, do not jump into conclusion so fast. This one will be less than 0. Agree? Yes or no? Because the function is more than 0, that means when I plot it, it must be above the x-axis. So it will not cut the x-axis and also discriminant is less than 0. Are we clear? Are we clear? So must be carefully. Alright, now, then I need to warn the class. I have 2x plus 2k plus 5k plus 2. You must expand and simplify first. Don't just stay and don't know what to do. How to expand? 2x squared plus 2kx plus 4kx. My mistake. Yes, thank you. 4kx plus what? 5k plus 2, right? Plus what? 10. Okay. Alright, that is my answer. Okay, I want all the to work. If I look at this, right? This is my x squared, this is my x squared. What is my A? What's my A? 2. What is my B? 4k. What is my C? 5k plus 10, right? Okay? Can you see R1 is permanent less than 0? Correct. So I will have B squared, take away 4AC less than 0, right? Correct or plus? Correct or plus? Can you see I'm doing it part by part so that you can see? Okay, this is international calculus. Okay, I'm going to expand this. What do I have? 16k squared minus 40, right? 40k, right? Minus what? 80 below. Less than 0. I can simplify further, right? I divide 12 by what? I can divide by 4. Can I divide by 8? Can I divide by 8? Yes, all of you come. I divide by 8. 2k squared minus 5k minus 10 will be less than 0, right? Correct. Plus, this is the horrible vegetable question that's coming. All of you at the spot. This guy here cannot be factorized. If I cannot factorize how I know all that of you will write shit. Okay, now, if cannot factorize how, I teach you how, okay? Understand? Because it never came out in the O-levels before. Cannot factorize all the students, okay, so what we do is this. Actually, I'm solving this equation, right? Correct. Okay, now, so K will be minus B plus minus B squared take away 4AC over 2A, right? What's minus B minus minus 5, right? Then minus 5, 4, 2, minus 10, then 2, right? Can you see that this is a 5 plus minus square root? What's inside there? Use your calculator. Wait, 1, 0. Here, calculator, look at me. What's this? What's inside here? It must be a positive value, like not 105. Okay, over 4. Okay, go. Give me the 3 circular figure. What answer? Go look at the textbook. Okay? No, round off. When I want to answer that this is round off. Okay? 20. 26.3. 3.81, right? If I want 3 circular figure. Or what? Negative 1.81, right? 1.31. Everybody okay? That means I'll have these 2 answers, right? I'm talking to you. I'll be okay. That means when I plot the curve, right? This point must be negative 1.31. This point must be what? 3.81, right? Correct? Yes or no? Okay. They want what? They want what? Less than 0. So I must look at this one, right? Correct. So what is my K? Between negative 1.31 and 3.81. Okay. No, I'm not saying that it's equal to 0. No, you must listen to me. This one okay already, You understand how I get it, Now, some people are asking me this question, which I think is a bit strange, All of those are. All of those are. I'm not going to explain this again because I'm very complicated. X squared minus 5x plus 4 less than 0, right? That's how I did the first example, remember? Correct? I will have x minus 4, x minus 1 less than 0, right? Well, actually, I'm solving this, right? To get the roots, right? So what is this? Correct? That's why I can say it's here and here, then I will have okay? But this is done aside because they want it less than 0, therefore I want this one. So this is a 1 and this is a 4. Correct? This is when it is factorizable. Do you understand what I'm talking about here? But if it is not factorizable, I have to find the roots, right? If not, how? Am I right, parents? Yeah. So don't tell me why I put equal to 0. This one you must put aside. You cannot put down here, understand? Because it will confuse you. Do you understand? Yes or no? Okay, so there is a difference. Understand? Of course, we pray that in the exam, all the expressions are factorizable. Do you understand? In the event that it's not factorizable, we're going to solve first, then after that put the inequality. Everybody understand now? Everybody understand now? Can or cannot? Huh? Okay, good. So in that case here, example 10. Are we clear now? Are we clear now? Okay. Now, yes. Some people will ask, sure, then where do I write this thing right? Right on the side. You can do it in pencil on the side. Then after that you plug. This one must be in. Everybody clear? But you don't include it, suddenly you go to 0, very less than 0, then you become confused. Understand? Okay? Alright, now, so that is your example test. Next, I'm going on to the last example, and that will be example 11. Can all of you look at example 11? Okay? I want all of you to look at example 11. Okay, all look at the board. Alright? The net profit in thousands of dollars P of making X thousand units of cars in a company can be modeled by this. P equals to negative 0.02x squared plus 140x plus 26123, 26,000. Okay? Now, the question says, hello? Find the minimum number and the maximum number of the cars that the company could produce in order to achieve a net profit of at least $30 million. Understand? At least means what? Can be 30 million? Yes. Okay. Now, correct the values of x to the nearest whole number in your answers. Okay. I want to know this P is in what? Thousands of dollars, right? Correct. I'm talking to you. Is it in thousands of dollars? How about the x is in what? Thousands, right? Correct. X is also in thousands. Can you see? Okay. They say 30 million. Will be 30, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? Correct. I'm talking to you. Because if you don't understand the question, you'll sure get it wrong. Okay. Now, this is 30 million. But if I express in thousand, I will delete off 3 0, right? Because, yes or no? That means P must be bigger than or equals to 3 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Because it's in thousands of dollars. Agree, class? Yes or no? Yes, huh? Okay. Because P is bigger than this is Is this correct? Okay. Now, I don't want negative coefficient. I want a positive. So I multiply by negative 1. So I'll have this. This one will flip, right? Correct. Now, this one of course very difficult to factorize now. Don't factorize, understand? Like just now like that, go to solve the thing. Understand? Okay, I'm going to do it here in orange. I will have to solve this equal to 0, right? To get the root, right? Okay. So x will be minus b plus minus square root. B square take away 4ac over 2a, right? Now what is my b? Negative 140. This will be negative 140. This is 0.02. This is 4,000, correct? Then 2a, 0.02 again. Agree, class? Talking to you? Agree, class? Okay. Now this will give me a 140, right? Because negative and negative become positive. Plus minus. Okay, I want to know what's the square root. Let me the short calculator. I don't know how to do it. No why? Because I'm like that. Inside is 19280 over 0.04. Okay. Can or cannot? Cannot. Okay. I want you to solve for me now. Okay. What is the first answer? That means 140 plus square root 19280 divided by 0.04. One of the answer is 6971. Wait. 6971.3, right? 5.8, right? Or what? 140 minus square root 19280 divided by 0.04. 28.689, right? 5.8. Agree, sir?
Yes.
Okay, now, I solved this already. So what is my next step? I must draw for this function, right? This one is what? 28.689. This one is what? 6971.3, right? Everybody okay? Yes or no? Now, the question says this one. You are to find the minimum number and the maximum number of cars. Okay? Round up to what? Nearest whole number. Okay, I want you to look. It's less than 0, so it's this part. Right? Everybody okay? Less than 0, so this part. That means my x must be bigger equal to 28.689, less than equal to 6971.3. Alright. Now, don't forget, x is in thousands. I must draw to the nearest whole number, right? So what should this smallest number be? 29, right? Do you agree? It must be 29. So the minimum number is actually 29 what? 1,000. Can see it? Yes or no? Okay. What is the maximum that this can be? 6971. Correct. So it's 6971 plus 3 more 0, right? So this is my minimum x here. This is my maximum x, right? Because the question wants it in thousands. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? So you look at the answer now. Before 2.3, it says the minimum number of cars that the company could produce is 29,000, and the maximum number of cars the company could produce is 6971.3. 0, 0, 0. Are we clear? Are we clear? Can or cannot? Can or cannot? Can, huh? Okay? Everybody perfectly fine now. Alright, now I am going to do some questions in the notebook first. Okay? Because time is up already. Alright. I'm going to give you this set of work to be done in the notebook. That's all. Because we need to draw it first. Okay? So, can you do in the notebook? Exercise 2.3. Just question 1 and 2. Can I? Just question 1 is 2, alright? Okay? Alright, now, let me just repeat what I want now. 1.1 and 2 to y corrections to me. 1.2 corrections to